Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LKCO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, setting up for a very, very interesting Friday now on this one. Things have been all over the place, but when you stop and think about the fact that just on Wednesday, the price during that last 30 minutes had gone through this crazy period where it went all the way down there. But let's just use the close to think that the price had been right there. Now all of a sudden it's worked its way back up to where it has. Very nice recovery, which brings about, some very interesting dynamics. And that main interesting dynamic is the price finally going to be able to break up above this area of resistance right here around the $1.13 mark, which going through the history of the chart, you can see has been, generally speaking, that is, because I realize it hasn't hit it exactly every time. But generally speaking, you see the price got right up around that area, failed, actually got up above it right there, failed, and then right there, I kind of just covered it up, but the next candle right there, rejected right at that level. So there's going to be a lot of people watching that level. And when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. So while I'm not saying that guarantees exist, what I am saying is it is a more than valid, it's a more than rational thought to have that. If the price comes up here and can get a break of that level, that break in and of itself could create quite a bit of upwards buying pressure. And that's absolutely right. Again, not a guaranteed thing to happen, but is that at least valid? Is that at least a rational, thought? Absolutely. So definitely keep a very close eye on that. And then as far as levels of support are concerned, the level that a lot of people will be watching, and rightfully so, is right down there at that dollar mark, which you can see did a fantastic job of providing support to the price all day long. So again, nothing's guaranteed, but if the price were to go down there and then break down through $1, it is a more than valid thought to have that. That break could very well create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. So that's why that's going to be another very important level to watch moving forward. But yeah, Friday taking shape to be a very, very entertaining day. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.